Is there a mongoose about? What have we found? Slow down. Hey, come here. Come on. Come on. I can't fit through there. I'm not even going to try. I could fit through there, but I'm not going to try. Come on. Come this way. In. Come on. Come on. An afternoon in the garden. Thought I'd get a break from the computer, and I'll take you up here. I was just standing looking at one of the paths I've created. Not paths, kind of archway, or the pomegranate has created. Hello. Hello there. It's kind of like an arch, isn't it? I love it. And I love just parts of the garden where you can kind of create these things with the plants that you have. I'm trying not to let the pomegranate grow too tall. I'm due to kind of cut it back or cut it down a bit so that all of the fruits are visible or available. Look at that up there. That's a carpenter bee. If I stand still too long, it might think I'm a flower. They're big, they're massive. They seem to love the moringa flowers. I don't know whether you can still see it. I can still see it here. But they're solitary, and they measure about 1.5 inches maybe. I had found a dead one, and so was able to measure it. But you can just see how big they are. Anyway, so that was just a little flavour. I'm going to go and sit and have some moments in the sun. See you soon.